If you're looking for a delicious, healthy pancake recipe, then watch this video because we are going to make some delicious, fluffy, paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free pancakes that are soft and delicious. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to see lots more healthy recipes, and let's make some pancakes. So for these healthy banana pancakes, I'm starting off with 2 bananas. Now, if you want more of a sweetness, I would wait until they're black and spotted, or you can also pop them into the oven for a little bit too until they get black, and this will make the bananas nice and soft and sweeter. You definitely want to choose more of a ripe banana just to bring out the sweetness. I'm putting this into a blender and blending them up until smooth, but you can definitely mash them up with a fork as well. I just want to make sure that the banana is nice and smooth so that we're not getting chunks, and it's going to really mix well with our dry ingredients later. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 eggs. I haven't tried this recipe with a flax egg, but if you try it and it works, please come back and let me know so that others will know as well. I add in a little bit of vanilla for flavor, and then we're just going to stir all of these wet ingredients together. And what I love about this recipe, and what you're going to love as well, is that it uses the whole fruit for sweetness. So the banana gives it a little nice sweetness, but we're using something that's a whole food, which is always great. I'm adding in some almond flour, which is great healthy fats, along with some arrowroot, which really helps the texture of this pancake. I find paleo pancakes work best with a blend of almond flour and arrowroot. A little bit of cinnamon, again for flavor, especially with the banana. It really gives it that banana bread feel. Some baking powder and some apple cider vinegar. So then we're just going to stir all of that together until it is nice and smooth. And the great thing about this is that because we're using almond flour, not only is it grain-free, but it's got loads of healthy fats in it, all of which really help to balance your blood sugar, which really helps to make these pancakes nice and satisfying. Then you're going to add in some almond milk. You can definitely add this into the wet ingredients, but when I was filming, I forgot to add that in when we were doing the banana and the eggs. So I noticed as the batter was thick that, hey, I forgot to add the almond milk. So definitely add the almond milk with the liquid, or you can add it in now. Either way, just make sure you add it in because otherwise your batter will be too thick. So just stir that around until it is nice and incorporated. Then you're going to be heating up your pan to about a medium heat. I sprayed mine with a little bit of avocado oil, and I like to use about a 1/3 cup just to scoop out some of the pancake batter. And I let that cook until the edges are set, and then I flip it over. Because of the sweetness of the bananas, these pancakes do get a little bit darker quicker, so it's better to cook it on a low medium heat as opposed to high. And then when they're done, I'm just finishing it off with a drizzle of Canadian maple syrup, because I'm Canadian, and some maple butter. And guys, they're so fluffy and delicious. The bananas with the cinnamon really gives it that banana bread feel, touch of sweetness, plus they're freezer friendly as well. So it's honestly just so delicious and such a good recipe. So now you guys know how to make healthy, delicious banana pancakes. This recipe is so good, and it's also freezer friendly as well. I freeze any leftovers and then I'll pop them in the toaster in the morning, and you can have pancakes every day of the week. So that's a really good hack to keep in mind. I am going to leave my healthy breakfast playlist right here with tons more healthy recipes for you. Lots of good stuff. Everything is delicious. It's all easy and yummy, so make sure to check that out after this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe as well so you don't miss any more healthy, yummy recipes here on this channel, and join the fam. We eat a lot of good food here, so join the fam. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.